Hey Stronger You, today we are going to review how to share a recipe from Nutrition Tracker as well as accepting a shared recipe from Nutrition Tracker from someone. So we're going to start off by accepting a shared recipe, and in this instance we are accepting a shared recipe from a push notification from Stronger You. So I'm going to tap on this push notification, and directly in this push notification, it deep links to a shared recipe. And in this instance, we have chopped chickpea salad. You're going to see the macros for the recipe as well as all the different ingredients. And at the bottom of the screen, you can see here the button accept. All you have to do if you want to add this recipe to your nutrition tracker is click accept. You can go into your recipes into daily log, and then you'll see chopped chickpea salad. So that's the recipe we just accepted from the push notification. Now, if you want to share a recipe with someone, what you're going to do is click on your recipe. So I'm going to select frozen banana peanut butter shake. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to tap on share recipe that we see here in the bottom right-hand corner. When I tap on that, it's going to pull up a native menu. I'm going to hit copy. And what that does is it copies a unique link. So every recipe has a unique link. You can then paste that link into whatever messaging system you want, whether it's via text message, via email, maybe you're posting it in the Stronger You Facebook community. Either way, you'll paste that link and then you'll send it. And then other people will be able to open it just like we did with that push notification when we added the chopped chickpea recipe. Happy sharing!